2025 is the year of opportunity. You don't need big money or fancy degrees to earn extra income. The best side hustles today are simple, flexible, and open to anyone. Let's look at the top side hustles you can start right now. 1. Freelance AI services. AI is powerful, but most people don't know how to use it. If you learn, you can make money fast. Create blog posts with ChatGPT, design posters with Canva, or edit short videos with AI tools. Businesses are paying for this today. 2. Print on demand. Custom t-shirts, mugs, phone cases. You don't need to keep stock. Just upload your design, and the platform does the printing and shipping. You earn the profit. Like printing funny quote t-shirts on Redbubble or motivational mugs for Etsy, or personalized pet portraits on phone cases. Imagine selling funny quote shirts or pet portraits on phone cases. 3. Social media management. Every business wants attention online, but many owners don't have the time. That's where you step in. You can post Instagram photos for a cafe, manage TikTok videos for a clothing store, or handle YouTube uploads for a school. Simple, but valuable. 4. Digital products. This is one of the best hustles. You create once and sell forever. Make an ebook on budgeting, or upload Canva templates for resumes. Once it's online, it keeps earning for you. Sites like Gumroad and Etsy make it easy to monetize your creativity. 5. Delivery and errand services. Not all side hustles are online. People pay for convenience, do grocery runs for busy families. Everyday tasks can turn into steady income. 6. Content creation. Short videos are everywhere. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. If you post consistently, you can grow. Share motivational shorts, review gadgets, or make quick cooking tips. Pick a niche and stick to it. 7. Online tutoring. Knowledge is money. If you can teach, you can earn. Offer spoken English classes. Help students with math and science, all from your own home. These are the best side hustles for 2025. Most need little or no money to start. Just time, creativity, and consistency. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more smart ideas.